In this video, I'll guide you through how to change ownership of a Google Docs document. This is really helpful if you're handing off a project, switching accounts, or just need someone else to be in charge of a file. By the end, you'll know exactly how to transfer ownership safely and what to expect when you do. First, open the Google Docs file whose ownership you want to transfer. Make sure you're signed in with the account that currently owns the document. Only the owner has permission to transfer ownership, so if you don't see the right options later, double check that you're using the correct Google account. Once your document is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This is usually a blue button labeled Share, often with an icon of a person and a plus sign. Clicking this opens the sharing settings window, where you can see who currently has access to the document and what their roles are. In the sharing window, you'll see a list of people who have access. Each person is displayed with their name or email, along with their current permission level, such as viewer, commenter, or editor. To transfer ownership, the person you're transferring to must already be listed and have at least editor access. If they're not there yet, you'll need to add them by typing their email address in the Add People and Groups field, giving them editor access and clicking Share. Once they're added, you'll be ready to continue. Next, find the user you want to make the new owner in that list. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right person, especially if you collaborate with multiple people who have similar names or email addresses. Ownership changes can't be undone by you once they're accepted, so accuracy here is important. To the right of their name, you'll see a drop-down showing their current role, such as editor. Click on that role. A small menu will appear with different options. Among these options, look for the one that says Transfer Ownership. Go ahead and select that. When you choose Transfer Ownership, Google Docs may show a confirmation message explaining that the person will become the new owner and that your own role will be changed, typically to editor. Read this carefully so you understand what's about to happen. As the former owner, you'll still be able to edit the document, but some controls like changing certain share settings or removing the new owner will no longer be available to you. Confirm the change when prompted. After you confirm, Google Docs will process the ownership transfer. The new owner may receive an email letting them know they now own the document. From this point on, they'll be the one in full control of sharing, access, and potential deletion of the file. Before you close the document, it's a good idea to quickly reopen the share settings and confirm that the person now shows as the owner and that your own role has been updated as expected. This gives you peace of mind that everything worked correctly, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully transferred ownership of a Google Docs document by opening the share settings, finding the right user, and selecting transfer ownership from their role menu.